Your fingers in your nostrils kill me. What are you doing? Alright. Okay. I'm sorry. You're stupid. Hey, bro, you tired?
Hey, you said, bro? What up, dog?
What? That got in your mouth? Let me see.
Fuck you.
Oh,
That was like my last one.
you
No,
punched
fuck.
my bruise. Oh, you have another one. Alright.
King.
Jason Logic.
Sorry. The chick almost looked over at me when I did that. Damn, girl.
Why are we always here?
Cause we's some motherfuckers.
What?
We's some motherfuckers.
Oh, it's got a little
Know
ghetto
what I
in
mean?
here. I smell Charlie.
Or at Extrema too. No, this shit. Coca-Cola crap. Oh, okay. What's wrong with Coca-Cola, bro?
Look at the way you're looking at that. Look at obnoxious.
Damn, this is the shit, man.
What did you just say?
Man, I'm a Coke person now.
You're a coke head.
Yeah, man.
But that sounds annoying when I say that. But
Just so you guys know, don't ever buy Dr. Pepper 10.
Oh, it's so bad.
So horrible. It was on sale.
Why would you buy it?
I didn't have enough money for anything else.
It's on sale for a reason.
You have like $90.
Buy that shit.
What happened?
No,
Oh.
I can't fucking do that.
Oh, you're saving it.
It's all
Alright.
fucking planned out.
You're saving
I'm
it.
not fucking it up.
You're planning for call out. Stop pulling on my
I'm
headphones.
gonna get so much stuff tomorrow. I need to fucking bring a big ass towel or some shit.
What's up, bro?
Damn, I need a fucking case. I don't know what I'm gonna keep.
For your money? Alright.
What do you think? What do you keep? If
Ching
you're
ching.
taking it somewhere.
I just roll it in a towel.
Yeah.
For what?
For a couple pieces. Like just something to keep in my backpack
Pieces
so it
of
doesn't
candy.
get
He's trying to like make sure it
No.
doesn't break apart and shit.
No,
Right?